Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install ZEditor on Windows 11. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is let's go to the official web page, which is this one, z.dev. And first thing is here you will see download now. So click on download now button, and right here you can select for different OS. So Mac OS, Windows, Linux. So we will go with Windows. Here you can also select which processor you have, Intel, AMD, or ARM. So I will leave it like that and download now. Now what we need to do is just wait for this exe file to successfully download. And after that, we will double click the downloaded exe installer file to begin with the configuration. So let's do that. Okay, now we need to configure and allow some stuff here. All right, and yeah, now we need to wait again a few moments, just like that, and now we can launch the Z. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can install ZEditor on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.